Hello everyone. In this video we will cover the concept of exercise 14b. So first we come across the term transversal. What is a transversal? It is a line which intersects two or more lines at different points. Like, let me draw a figure. Okay. So here this line and this line are parallel and this one is the transversal. Understood? So in this line or in this figure, I would say there are a lot of angles formed. Which angles? Like suppose these are my angles. Let's name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now here my angle 2 and angle 6. Which are my angle 2 and angle 6? Angle 2 and angle 6 are equal to each other by the concept of transversal lines. So here angle 2 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is also equal to angle 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Let's write it. So angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. You can understand the pattern, right? Why? Because this forms corresponding angles. Which angles? Corresponding angles. Let's see another type of angles. Now, angle 4 and 6. Angle 4 plus angle 6 gives you 180 degree. This is a thing. Okay. Same thing here also, angle 3 plus angle 5 also give you 180 degree. Why? Because of which angle is forming here? Co-interior. Co-interior angles. Okay. Now we will see the third type of angle forming. Now see, this is your angle 3, angle 6, right? And angle 4 and angle 5. These two are forming your interior alternate angles. Okay. So let us write it. Angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Because of interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. In the similar manner, angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7 are exterior alternate, right? Yes. So you will write it. Angle 1 is equal to angle 8 and angle 2 is equal to angle 7. Right or not? Yes. Because of exterior. There it was interior, but this here you are forming exterior alternate angles. Right. Now we have one more type of angle. That angle 1 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 3 because of vertically opposite. Same thing you will do it here. Right. 5 equal to 8, 6 equal to 7. Let us write it. Angle 1 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 3, angle 5 equal to angle 8 and angle 6 equal to angle 7. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. Understood? These are the angles formed. Your first type, your second type, your third type, your fourth type, your fifth type. These are the 5 types of angles. There are more, but now we will learn only about these 5 types of angles. Understood? Now we will see that what is a parallel line. A parallel line, like suppose these are my parallel lines. Why? Because these are the lines that they will never meet each other if you extend it in any direction. Like I extend it like this, I extend it like this. But are these lines gonna meet, or are these lines gonna be like this and like this? Are these gonna lines meet? No. So these lines are called parallel lines. Okay. Now here we had studied about corresponding angle. Now example, in your one sum, it is said that find corresponding angle. So if the corresponding angles should be formed, you can use a trick. What is that trick? That F shape should be formed if the corresponding angle is made. Which shape? F shape. It can be like this, it can be ulta F shape, or any way F shape should be formed. Then only corresponding angles will be formed. Right? Yes. In in co-interior, nothing should be formed, like a U shape. In co-interior, a U shape should be formed. Right? See, here in this angle 4 and 6, a U shape is being formed. In our corresponding angle 2 and 6, an F shape is formed. See, like this and like this. Isn't it? Yes. Coming to interior alternate angles, you can understand it by Z shape. Which shape? Z shape. Interior and exterior both. Now 1 and 8. See, Z shape is being formed. See, Z shape is formed, right? It can be any way. This shape it's not only that the shape should be in its original form. It can be in any way. Okay. And your vertically opposite angle, X shape should be formed. See, 1 and 8, X shape is being formed. Right? In your vertically opposite angle, see, your 1 and 4 and X shape is formed. See, like this. I'll show it with a different color. In your 1 and 4, this X shape is being formed, right? 2 and 3 also. Same with 5 and 8 and 6 and 7. So these are some shapes which you can check to find out whether they are these angles or not. Now we will move on to the conditions of parallelism. Parallelism. What is the conditions? Let's see. Conditions. For what? Conditions that whether those lines are parallel or not. There should be 3 conditions fulfilling. Then only you can say whether it is parallel or not. Like, the first condition says that the alternate angles should be equal. Whether it be interior or exterior. Alternate angles should be equal. Okay? Your corresponding angles should be also equal. Corresponding angles should be equal. Then your third and the last condition says that the sum of interior angle on the same side of transversal should be 180. What that means, that the co-interior angles like 4 and 6 and 3 and 5 should be equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles should be equal to 180 degree. Right? We had mentioned it here also. You can see co-interior angle equal to 180 degree. Right? These are the conditions. Now we can start with our exercise 14b. Let's begin. The first question says that you have to find out the pair of angles. We have already done it, right? Now let us first draw the figure and solve some parts of the question. Or I hope that first question can be done by you. Second seems a little difficult, right? Let's see the second question. Can we draw the diagram? Yes, let's draw the diagram. You have it like this. Then you have a line from here going like this. Then you have it like this. Then you have it like crossing it. Right or not? Yes. Now let us see the markings. Here you have 1. Here you have 2. Here you have 3. Here you have 4. Here you have 5. Right? Then this is your 6. Your 7. Your 8 and your 9. when you draw the diagram, it becomes more clearer to you. So you should always draw it. 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now in the part 1, it is asking you about angle 1 and 4. Angle 1 and angle 4. You can see that they are vertically opposite because the X shape is being formed. So you'll write vertically opposite angle. You'll write it in full. I am writing in short form. Okay. Then angle 4 and angle 7. This is your 4. This is your 7. You can see that they are forming a Z shape. Right? Like this and like this. That means they are alternate angle. Right? And they are interior. You can see they are not outside. They are inside. So you'll write interior alternate angles. So similarly, you can solve all the parts. Let's see the 10th one. 6 and angle 7. Now 6 and angle 7. What are they forming? They are forming a adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means co-interior. In the question it is written adjacent angles, right? That means co-interior. So 6 and 7 are forming a co-interior. So you don't need to be confused. You can write it adjacent. In the question it's written adjacent, so you'll write adjacent. But adjacent means co-interior. Understood? Yes. Now we will move on to question number 3. Let's see how you will solve it. It is asking that in the following figure, the arrow indicates parallel line. You have to say which angles are equal and why. Let's see the part 1. This is your transverse. You have your A, B, C and D. You have to state that which angles are equal. So see, your A is equal to angle B because of corresponding, and the F shape is also formed like this, ulta F. So you can write that angle A is equal to B because of corresponding angles. And reason, it is very, very important to mention the reason, or else you will lose your marks. So you will write the reason, right? And now B, which one it is equal to? C, right? Because of vertically opposite. So write B is equal to C because of vertically opposite angles, right? Then C is not equal to D, right? Because it is co-interior and it should be equal to 180. But no, that is not the case here. So you can write that A is equal to C, right? A is equal to C because of alternate angles, right? Z shape is being formed. So write alternate angles. Hence, you can say that your A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So this will be your answer, right? Moving on to part 2. Let's draw the diagram. These are your parallel lines and this is your transversal. 2 transversal and 2 parallel lines. X, Y, L, M, N, K, Q and R. Got it? So here X first is equal to Y. You can write that because of vertically opposite angle. And also keep checking that the shape is formed or not. Here X has been formed. Then Y is equal to what? Not K is not possible because it is co-interior. L is possible because of alternate. And the Z shape is also formed. So Y equal to L because of alternate angles. Then L is equal to what? L can be equal to N because of vertically opposite again. So you will write L is equal to N because of vertically opposite angles. Now N is equal to what? It can be equal to R because of corresponding. F is also been formed. So N is equal to R because of corresponding angles. Right? Then R is equal to anything? No. R cannot be equal to anything now. So here you will end your statement and you'll write x is equal to y is equal to L is equal to N is equal to R. But still some are remaining. So now we will, which ones are remaining? M, K and Q, right? So let's move on to M. M can be equal to K because of vertically opposite angles. And K can be equal to Q because of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. And then you can again write a statement that M is equal to K is equal to Q. So these two are the statements. Are your answer? Understood? Yes. So now we will move on to question number 4. Question number 4 says, in the given figure, find the measure of unknown angles. This is your parallel line, this is also your parallel line, and this is your transversal line. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And this is your 110 degree. So you have got this and you have to find the rest. So you can write that A is equal to 110 degree first of all. Why? Because of corresponding. Right? Then A can be equal to D because of vertically opposite. D can be equal to F because of corresponding. Right? That means A, D and F are your 110 degree. Now let's look at others. Now C. Because of co-interior angles, C plus 110 should be equal to 180. Because of co-interior angles. Right or not? Yes. Now C will be equal to 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree. Got it? Now C can be equal to B because of vertically opposite angles. And B can be equal to E because of which angle? Corresponding. Very good. And if you want to solve these sums quickly, you should understand the types of angles. You should remember by heart the angles, where it is formed and how it is formed. Okay. Now E will be equal to G. Equal to G because of vertically opposite. X shape is forming. Equal to G because of vertically opposite angle. Hence you can write, therefore A is equal to 110 degree. Right? And like this only in the similar manner you can write what it is equal to. Got it? Yeah. B equal to 70 degree. The color is changed. 70 degree. Then C is equal to 70 degree again. What is D equal to? D is equal to 110. E is equal to 70 degree we have got. F is equal to 110 degree we have got. G is equal to 70 degree. This is how you will do it. In the next video, we will be solving question 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So, thank you. And I hope you have understood. If you have understood, please like the video and thank you.